A Rainy Day by Carmen Jimenez, illustrated by Kiko Moroyama. It was a gray and rainy day. Gail and Jay couldn't go out to play. They had to stay in and wait for the rain to stop. So did their dog, Daisy. Gail painted sailboats, then she made 2 bears out of clay. Jay painted a big train. He tried to paint Daisy's tail, too, but Daisy hid. Gail played some tapes. She and Jay danced up a storm. So did Daisy. Gail helped Jay read the mail. Daisy tried to help, too. Then Daisy barked and wagged her tail. What was she trying to say? The rain stopped. Bright rays of sun filled the sky and made a rainbow.